Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to see subject English, lesson 11, new chapter, Madam Here wants a change. Madam Here wants a change and it's session 39. Okay children, I hope you have completed till lesson 10, Little Benjamin. Isn't it children? You ask because next week you are going to have midterm exam children. All should complete all the lessons. Okay children? Okay, we'll go into the lesson. Okay, lesson 11. Madam Air wants a change. Madam Air wants a change. Okay, see here. Some small introduction they have given. Madam Air is bored. Bored means what? Bore adikidhu will say, isn't it? So Madam Air is bored. More than anything, she wants a change until a little squirrel tells her that she is changing already. And suddenly, Madam Air realizes that change isn't always a good thing. Yes, we are going to see about Madam Air, how she wants to change because she was bored of her. So she wants a little change. So we are going to see what are the characters they have given children. Madam Air, Sir Ocean, Mr. Sun, Mr. Land, Lord Volcano, a tree and a squirrel. So this much characters they have given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are going to study about Madam Air, how she is going to visit all. So they have given respect solely Madam Air, Sir Ocean, Mr. Sun, Mr. Land, Lord Volcano, a tree and a squirrel. Okay. Now we'll see here Madam Air at home. Madam Air at home. Scene 1. So this is a what we'll say skit will say, isn't it children? A drama. A drama. This is about a drama only. How they are going to perform you are going to see. First see Madam Air is at home. A bare pale blue background with the sound of a breeze blowing gently. Madam Air glides onto the stage, waving her arms around, moving in a circle and finally sitting down in a chair with a long sigh. See what children? Madam Air is coming with the sound of breeze blowing gently and it glides onto the stage and coming to the stage, waving her arms around, moving in a circle and finally sitting down in a chair with a long sigh because it's in the stage. Okay children? Okay, so now Air is speaking. Air is speaking to the audience. Air is speaking to the audience. What a life! Born free. Free to blow where I wish. Free to do what I want to. I suppose you would have loved to change places with me. So as she is speaking to the audience, the Madam Air is standing up suddenly. I would gladly take your place. Why? You wonder why? Walks up and down irritably. Irritably means what children? In an angry, impatient manner. In an angry, otherwise impatient manner. Okay? Because I am fed up. Fed up means what here? Bored and tired. Bored and tired. Fed up. Fed up of being the same. Fed up of being the same old oxygen and carbon dioxide. So Madam Air is little bored of being the old gases, nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oh yes, I definitely need a change. Paces up and down, a frown on her forehead. Suddenly looks up and exclaims brightly, of course, I know who can help me. I'll go to him right now. So, what Madam Air is telling? I am fed up of my life. I don't like to be an air again. I am fed up of being an old gas, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. So, I definitely want a change. So, I know who will help me. I am going to him right now, and it's coming out of the stage. So runs off stage. Off stage means coming out of the stage. Okay, now we'll see whom Madam here is going to see. So scene 2. See, Madam here meets Sir Ocean. So now where Madam here is going, children? She is going to see Sir Ocean. Can you see here, children? This is Sir Ocean. Okay, children. So Madam here, she is Madam here, and she is going to see Sir Ocean. So she is telling, some sand and water flowing nearby or a painted background. So some sand and water flowing nearby or a painted background of the same. In the middle sits a large person with closed eyes. See how the Sir Ocean is sitting. Some sand and water flowing nearby or a painted background of the same. In the middle sits a large person. So in the middle of the ocean with a closed eye, Sir Ocean is sitting. So now Air is speaking. Air walks in excitedly and shakes the huge person roughly. So what Madam Air is doing? She is shaking the person roughly. Sir Ocean, wake up. I need your help. Because Sir Ocean is closing his eyes. So he did not see Madam Air. So what she is telling? Sir Ocean, wake up. Wake up, I need your help. Like that she is telling. So Ocean, what now Ocean is telling? Now only unruffled opens his eyes slowly and blinks. As soon as we close the eyes and opens, we will be blinking, isn't it? Likewise, Sir Ocean is opening his eyes. Ah, it's Madam here. Good morning. You are an early bird today. What can I do for you? So early bird means what, children? A person who wakes up very early. A person who wakes up very early. Isn't it? Air always blows all the time. Isn't it? Morning fresh air. Isn't it? So only Sir Ocean is telling, you are an early bird today. What can I do for you? So Air is impatiently. Air is impatiently what she is telling. Impatiently. Tell me how I can change myself. So she is asking, how can I change myself? I am tired of being me. I just wish I could be somebody else. So I don't want to like Mr. Madam here. I want to be somebody else. So Ocean is telling, a little alarm. She is telling, calm down, madam. Calm down, madam. Change for the sake of change. Say change for the sake of change is not good. Take my advice, go home and rest a while. So my Ocean is advising, no, change for the sake of change is not good. You go, you take my advice, go home and rest a while. So what Air is telling? Her face changed. Her face changed because Sir Ocean did not make her change. So she was fed up, and what she is telling? The old fuddy-duddy. Fuddy-duddy means the old-fashioned dull person. Like that she is scolding. What does he know? I shan't waste my time with him anymore. So she is scolding. She is scolding Mr. Sir Ocean, and she is going out. She is moving from that place. Okay, now we'll see the next to whom she is going. Okay, children. Scene 3. Now, see, now she is going to meet Madam Air meets Mr. Sun. Now she is going to see Mr. Sun. Now she went to the ocean, he didn't help, so she is going to Mr. Sun. So Mr. Sun and Madam Air come on the stage together from opposite direction. So Mr. Sun and Madam Air come on the stage together from opposite direction. So see, it's all in the stage program only. So only scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. Now in the scene 3, who are coming together? Opposite together, who is coming? Mr. Sun and Madam Air is coming on the stage opposite direction. So Air is telling, Mr. Sun, how good to see you. Like that. So Sun is telling, the pleasure is mine, madam. The pleasure is mine, madam. So Air is telling, Mr. Sun, you have seen the whole world. Yes, isn't it? Sun has seen the whole world. I am sure you can help me. You can help me. I want to be somebody else. Perhaps even you for a change. I am tired of being myself. So she is telling again to Mr. Sun, you change myself because I am too bored. So son was puzzled means what? In a confusion. But why like that? It's asking. Son is asking. I think you are great just as you are. What you are great just as you are na. நீ இருக்கிற மாதிரியே இருக்கிறது தான் நல்லது. Like that the son is telling. Now look at me. I haven't changed for millions of years. So son is telling, see, look at me. I have never changed for millions of years. Madam, if you and I were to change everything in the world, would go topsy-turvy. So what son is telling, if I were to change everything in the world, you and I will change everything in the world means the world would go topsy-turvy. Topsy-turvy means what? Get confused and disordered. Get confused and disordered. I beg of you, think again, madam. So here is telling, thank you, Mr. Son. So she got very angry. Thank you, Mr. Son. Like that she is getting irritated and she got off from the stage. Okay, in the scene 4, now where Madam Here is going, children? Now Madam Here meets Mr. Land. First she went to Mr. Ocean, Sir Ocean, and then Mr. Sun, and now Mr. Land. So Mr. Land is standing straight, stiff on a rock. So where is Mr. Land is sitting, children? He is sitting straight, stiff on the rock. Air moves round him a couple of times, then waves her arms rapidly. So what air is doing? It's going, making a round, 2 rounds, and then waving her arms rapidly. Mr. Land, can you help me? So Land is telling, moves a little and looks around. Who? Oh, it's you, Madam Air. Sorry, I was just thinking. Air, good, you can do some thinking for me too. You see, I am sick and tired of being good. Old Madam Here. Oh, how I want a change. So again it's saying the thing, what I am so sick and I am tired of being good. Old Madam Here. So you make a change. So you change me. So Land, what it's telling? It's laughing aloud in amazement. It's laughing. Amazement means in what? It cannot, what in excitement she is laughing. Okay, children, laughs aloud in amazement. Acharyam will say, no, laughing. How can you? You are like Mr. Sun, Sir Ocean, free to take a trip. So what Land is telling? You are like Mr. Sun, Sir Ocean, and me. We can't change so suddenly, or at least we never should. Why you are free to take a trip round the world whenever you wish? What more could you want? Like that, what Mr. Land is asking. So it was asking like that. Why you want to free to take a trip round the world whenever you wish? Like that it's scolding. So what more could you want? Like that it's asking. So Air is telling, oh, another one. Good day. You would not understand. So what Air is telling? Now it was also fed up. Okay. So Mr. Land also didn't help him. So it got irritated and it came. So he marches off. And now as soon as it came from Mr. Land, it's meeting meets Lord Volcano. Madam Here is meeting Lord Volcano. Okay, children. So in a corner of the stage, Lord Volcano is standing quietly, watching Madam Here pace up and down angrily. As she passes him, he makes a rumbling sound and shakes himself. So what happened? In the corner of the stage, Lord Volcano is standing quietly, watching Madam Here pace up and down angrily, going up and down, walking up and down angrily. As she passes him, he makes a rumbling sound and shakes himself. So as soon as it passes the volcano, it's making a rumbling sound, means what? Urumra sound, like that, and it's shaking himself. See, can you see the picture here, children? This is Lord Volcano. This is Lord Volcano. Okay. So now Here is asking, startled, stop. Startled and stops. Oops. What was that? Volcano. Hey, 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 it's me, rumbles again. So, while the air is passing down, the volcano is rumbling. Okay, children? So, only air is asking, oops, what was that? Like that is asking because of the rumbling sound. So, volcano is telling, hey, hey, it's me, rumbles again. Air, stop that. I should have known it was you. You mannerless fellow. So air is scolding volcano. You mannerless fellow. Looks at her dress. Oh no, my pretty dress, my very best one. Now you spoilt it with your dirt and gases. Stop the trembling. So volcano, what volcano will do? Always some smoke will be coming out. Isn't it, children? Can you see here? Some smokes will be coming out. So when it rumbles, the black color smokes come. So Madam Air is telling, see, because of your rumbling sound, see how neat dress I was wearing. My pretty dress was very best one, but now you spoilt it with your dirt and gases. Stop the rumbling. Like that, air is scolding the volcano. But volcano, certainly, but I have the right to do anything. After all, it was my ancestors who created you. So what volcano is telling? See, this and all, what happened before ancestors means mutkaalathula. Understood, children? What it happens before itself. Who created you? Who created you? Only they created me also. Like that volcano is telling. So because volcanoes what habit is that to rumbles. But what Madam here is telling, it's scolding volcano. So volcano is telling the who created you only created me also. Like that it's telling. What do you mean? Air is asking. Volcano, didn't you know in the beginning the earth was a huge ball of hot gases? So what volcano is telling? Didn't you know in the beginning the earth was a huge ball of hot gases which cooled down and became the surface. That was the time my ancestors spewed out. Spewed out means what? Through or spat out. Through or tupradu will say no, that one only. Okay, children? That was the time my ancestors, because the earth will be a huge ball of hot gases. When it wanted to cool down, and became the surface, that was the time what my ancestors spewed out, dust and gases. Over millions of years, those gases created you. Here, excitedly, wonderful. Then you are the perfect person to change me. So as the volcano was explaining about her character, no, Air thought, oh, then you are the correct person to change me. Like that it's asking, volcano, change you? What on earth for? My ancestors didn't create only you. They formed water and slowly life developed in the oceans and shifted to land, plants and animals. So volcano is explaining neatly. See, what on earth for? My ancestors didn't create only you. What? They formed water, they created what? Life, everything in the oceans and shifted to land, plants and animals. So, here what's telling? Enough of all that. I shan't listen to you anymore. What volcano said, no, again air got very angry. And what it happened? It came off. It came off and it came to meet whom? Madam here meets at the tree in an open space. Tree in an open space. So what happened? Here, looking up, sitting beneath the tree, looking up as its leaves. Ah, how soothing you are. Soothing means what, children? Calming, comforting you are. Oh tree, dear tree, surely you will help me. I want to change myself, but nobody is ready to help me. Tree, dear madam, all of us plants and animals would die without you. We love you just the way you are. Here, as if I care. So what tree is telling? Dear madam, all the plants and animals would die without you, because without you can we live, children? We also can't live, isn't it? So only the tree is telling, without you we can't live. We love you just the way you are, like that. So here is feeling very fed up, as if I care. So gets up and walks off. So it came off. And it came to see. Madam here meets the squirrel. Scene C is came to see the squirrel. This is the last one, okay? So here is telling, Oh, squirrel, sweet little squirrel, how I want a change. Squirrel, a change? But you are just like the rest. You do not want me to change at all. So, squirrel is telling, no, no, it's just that. Here, what? Squirrel, don't you know that humans have already changed you? At least they have started to. So, here is telling, do you really mean that? How lovely? Squirrel, I don't know whether it's lovely or not. All I know is that people have made factories and vehicles which throw out all kinds of gases. They are also doing things that raise a lot of dust. So as madam here went to see the squirrel, what the squirrel is telling, see, why you want to change? You have already started to change. So here is asking, I started to change. Yes, because you first of all, first air and all will be very fresh. What pure air we will get. But nowadays what happened? People started to have made factories, so the vehicles have grown more. So what happened? All with throw out kinds of gases are coming out, and the air became dirty, isn't it, children? The air became dirty. So only the squirrel is telling, you started to change. See here, really? Then I must blow my way to where they live. So what it's telling? Then I have to go my way to where they live. Like that air is telling, and moves away quickly. So last scene, madam here in the city. See, in the air, coughing and sneezing at a busy crossing crowded with people and vehicle. So now air is in the busy place. What it's telling, madam here is coughing and sneezing. What? Tumradu, irmit, like that. Isn't it okay? So what is this? Wipes her face. Good heavens, my face is filthy. Filthy means what, children? Very dirty. How did this happen? Looks around. Ah, that's the culprit. Culprit means what? The person to blame. That huge factory chimney, how black the smoke is, coughs. My goodness, how tall these buildings are. I feel so trapped in. My goodness, how tall buildings are. I feel so trapped in their mist. I think I'm going to choke. I can hardly breathe. So the air is feeling unable to breathe. She claps her throat and makes gasping sounds. Honking sounds are heard all around. What now? What are these awful monsters on wheels? Each one of them is. So what madam is saying, it went to the busy street, so it noticed all the vehicles giving out impure gases, and the tall buildings and the factory chimneys all blowing out black smoke. So it got irritated. It started to cough. And belching out. Can you see here? See, madam is coughing. The surrounding all impure air. The air became black. So just smelly gases. Oh, I think I'm going to die. She throws her arms up in horror, then runs off the stage. So as soon as it saw this situation, it throws her arms and she runs off the stage. So madam here at home. Now in last scene, she's at home again. Madam here enters the stage, panting and puffing, looking tired but relieved. But she was puffing, she was coughing, everything. She was very tired and she wanted to get relieved. But after reaching home, she was relieved. Children, what I'm going to do now? Panting and puffing. You see the dictionary, you have to answer me. I know the meaning, but what you have to do? Take the dictionary, and panting means what meaning, puffing means what meaning, you have to find out. I'm not going to tell. You have to find out and send to me in WhatsApp. Certainly that was not the change I wanted at all, but humans are going to change me by making those machines and those factories. If they don't stop, they will soon kill, and what is more, they will kill themselves and everything else on the earth. They must be stopped. They have got to be stopped. And see what we learned, children. At last, madam here is telling, yes, see, the humans are going to change the air, isn't it? All by what? They bought machines, factories. They don't stop. What they will do? The impure air is coming out, isn't it? The black smoke is coming out, and the smoke, what? It spoils the pure air. So what happens? Soon they are going to kill us, isn't it? What is more? So they will kill themselves. They are going. We are also breathing the impure air only, isn't it, children? So what we have to do, children? We have to grow more trees. So we have to grow more trees means what? We can get fresh air. We should not cut down the trees. Okay, children? So what you have to do? We have to keep the air what and the surroundings neat, and we have to what avoid. We can walk and go most for a short distance and all. What we should not do, we should not take vehicles. We can walk and go and make our surroundings neat, so that we can grow more trees and we can get fresh air. We can get fresh air. Okay, children? And now this all a scene, and they are presenting in the stage. Okay, so it is adapted from a story by Dilip M. Salvi. Okay, children? So all of you like the story, children? So what we learned, children? We have to keep the air what without what smoke and all. We should keep fresh air. We have to breathe fresh air. We have to breathe fresh air. Okay, children? We'll meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.